Hello everybody, this is Yusuf and welcome to my kitchen. Today actually I should say welcome to my yard. This what you see is my loquat tree and which in Farsi is gulabi jangali, and it's a very delight and tasty fruit that most of the people they use that in different ways, and the history of this fruit is coming from China. When they had a trade, it go back to 1000 BC, and it was the trade road, which was a silky road. It came to Persia, and we adopted there, and everybody loves this food right now. Unfortunately, it does have a very, very short shelf time. So for that reason, you might not see it in a grocery store. But the people, they have it at their home or in Iran, in a jungle, what they say, gulabi jangali, which is a jungle pear. They love this, eating it raw, or they making it a jam. All right, the way that loquat came to Iran, also went to Spanish places and also South America, which they are mostly Spanish language, and they love this fruit. They do. Most of the yard, they have one of these trees, and they make a wonderful, delightful jam with it, and it has a special place in their culinary culture. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick some what is left. We ate most of them just, just itself. But whatever is left, I'm going to make a pickle out of it. And that's what Persian, they make pickle out of that, which is a Torshi. Now, let's go and pick them up and go inside and see how we make the pickle. The most of them right is left top, because whatever it was closed, we just hang those short. We took them and ate them. We use the ladder and I go up and just pick the rest. If you look at the left side of me, there is a pomegranate tree, and also behind the camera is a pomegranate tree. It's a wonderful, beautiful flower right now, and it's going to be turned to pomegranate in a couple months. For those that are really on the top, I have to use this tool in order to get them. It's a lots of work, lots of work on it. Okay guys, welcome back to my kitchen. We are done with picking of loquat, and it's not that much, but it's enough for what we are doing. And the pickling of this is very similar to another, maybe people are familiar, it's asgil. To get started, we have to clean, which I wash them, clean them, and try to dry it, and we have to take the seeds out. It needs a patience and a little bit of your time. So try to get all the seeds out. And also, if you don't want it, you can take this part out also, which is not a big deal. But what is left is just the flesh of the fruit, and even if you want to make a jam, also you have to do the same thing. Let me finish taking the seeds out, and I see you in shortly. You know what? Next time I'm going to show you how to make a jam out of it, but it's going to be next year. You don't have any more. All right, seeds are out. So choose a pan to be suitable, just put it in there. And you can, I left the skin on. It's up to you if you want to take the skin out. And now we have to go over our spices. What I have here is a 2.5 teaspoons salt. You have to adjust it to your taste. It's a half a teaspoon turmeric. This one is the seeds of a coriander, fennel, mustard, and a little bit of the bay leaf. And here is a red pepper, chili pepper. Also, this depends on how hot you want it or not. You can adjust that one. I have about 2.5 also teaspoon sugar. This is tamarind. I just put it in water just to soak it, and I take the juice out. I'm gonna mix all together. Let's just make this powder out of this, just a little bit. You don't have to go all the way, as long as it's just crack a little bit, that's good enough. Okay, and this one also is going to be added to our fruit in here. All right, the rest of the ingredients also I'm going to just add it. All what I just mentioned, it goes in here, including our sugar. And in tamarino, I have to clear the juice out of it and just put the rest inside. Just give me a second. Okay. Okay, let's add some of our vinegar, which I have here is about 1.5 cup. So if it does go half away, all right, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water to it, and it goes over the stove and start as soon as it starts boiling, about like maybe 10 minutes, you take it out, let it cool. 1 cup of water. Okay. As soon as it starts boiling, wait for 10 minutes. This is when you take it out, cool, and put it in a jar. Or if you want to use the same day or next day, just let it be there for 30 to 40 minutes. Then it's going to be completely ready. See you. All right, this is starting boiling, and my microphone was not working properly, so I have to change it. So the sounds might be a little bit different. Bear with me. Thank you. The boiling is done for me, so it's been about like 10 minutes, and this is the time I turn it off, put it aside to get cold before I put it in a jar. For that reason, I have some errands to do. I go and I come back when this is cold, and I put it in a jar. See you. Okay guys, I have been back, and after a couple of errands that I had to do, and I came back. It's been long enough that's getting cool off, so you don't have to wait that long. I'm jarring it out, and as soon as it gets cooled down, you can put it in a jar. Just put it somewhere, dark, not in the direct sunlight. It's going to be ready after 7 days. Or you can put it, in the fridge and just wait till it gets completely, get together all the spices and also the taste develop. Then it's ready to eat. This is a very nice sized jar, and it gets all in there. I'm making lots of noise by just taking this out. Cool. Absolutely perfect. You close this out. This is our pickled loquat at Gulabi Jangali, Torshi Gulabi Jangali, and it's going to be sitting aside for just 7 to 10 days. Then it's going to be ready, and it's going to complement your any kind of dish that you're going to have it. It's going to be nice, wonderful, beautiful. I thank you so much for watching my video. Love you all. Subscribe. Don't forget to share it. Until next time with another dish. Bye.